Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to provide you some best promo codes or discounts and coupons that you can use to get some exciting deals and discounts and offers in Panera Bread. So here you can see we are on panerabread.com, the official website. They are also offering us some coupon codes or promo codes here. So you can see, you can simply click on start an order. When you are going to create an order, they will give you some discounts according to their current campaign here. So you can also find some details about redeeming your coupon in three steps here. So after that, some of the here you can find some offers also, like unlock your $5 off. So you have to be updated with their official website to get some exciting deals and discounts officially. Now some third-party website has collected their coupon codes here, like the first one is couponfollow.com/site/panerabread.com, and from here you can find most updated coupon code, where you can find the code here. You can simply click on that code and you can find the code here, and you can use this copy button to copy the whole code, and this redeem at Panera Bread button will help you to get redirected to the Panera Bread website. So click on it and it will lead you to the Panera Bread website where you can use this coupon code. Now the second one is SimplyCode. So simplycode.com/stores/panerabread.com and ENUS. So this URL will help you to get directly into the Panera Bread promo codes and coupon codes page, where you can find it is most updated according to the month here. Now you can find the success rate, that it has 100% success rate, but other are not verified. So you should go with the verified one here. You can find the verified and the last user's time and the details about the code here. So you can simply click on view code and you can find the code from here. You can simply click on copy and you can simply click on shop at Panera Bread, and you can get the €5 that it, as like it said, $5 off in minimum order $10. So for the members only in Panera Bread. So you have to sign in for the Panera Bread. Now the third one is Groupon. So you have to go to the Groupon and you can find the search bar and search for Panera. So this one here, you can find get code for Panera Unlimited Sip Club here. You can find different types of coupon code here. You can save $3 instantly on all purchases, $5 off peak order of $15 or more, and for members you can find $5 off online orders plus $10 plus that we have just seen earlier in this video. Now you have to simply click on see code and you will be able to get the code here, and you have to wait, and here something's going to wrong. So currently it's not working, so we are going to try another one here, see code, and here it is. So you can find the code here. You can simply click on copy and you are good to go to paste the code and redeem your discount. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.